Okay guys, this is some tricks that you guys do not know about that people are using right now in this 2026 to go viral. If you want your video to grab attention, if you want your video to go viral guys, to grab like to reach many audience like UK audience, abroad audience, guys, these are some simple tips and tricks that people are using right now to go viral. So the first thing I will tell you is this: if you are the type of a content creator that lack like title on what to use on your video, like kind of title, and you are confused on how to get a nice attention grabbing title, caption, hashtag and many more for your videos to use to post your video, then this video is for you guys. These are some things that they are doing right now. If you want your title, hashtag and captions to stand out guys, there is one app they are using to get both title and everything. What is the title I'm talking about guys? Is called ChatGPT. Yes, you guys know about ChatGPT, but some people do not know that you can use this ChatGPT to generate your for your title, to generate your title, even your thumbnails guys. Let me show you some of it here on my phone. Sorry guys, let me show you some even some thumbnails I have generated from with this ChatGPT, and the thumbnail is giving 10/10 minus nothing guys. I hope it's on this my phone guys. I don't know if it is in this phone, but I have the the thumbnail. I'm not sure. It's like this phone I'm using to create this content that I have the thumbnail. But if you are the type that are confused on the kind of title you can use to grab attention of people, I will tell you to go to your ChatGPT. You can see it. See it here guys. I hope you guys are seeing it. Go to your ChatGPT guys. If you reach there, that place they said ask ChatGPT, you can see that plus sign. You click on it. You click on this ask ChatGPT. If what you are looking for is title, all you have to do is to ask ChatGPT. They even have a voice record that if you don't know how to type it, or instead of you to do mistake, you can use voice record and give them what you need, and they are going to generate the whole thing. And the good thing about this ChatGPT is this: they are not even going to give you only one title. They will give you like 10 and tell you to choose the one you want. And even if you are confused on the one you are going to pick, you can even ask them, please ChatGPT, help me to pick the best title I can use for this kind of video that is going to grab attentions, like that will make the video to go viral, and they are going to choose it for you guys. Let me show you for example. Let me drop this thing here. So let me ask it. You can see it. Hi ChatGPT, I want you to prompt a clickable, viral and searchable title for me on a video topic that I want to post on my social media. The video topic is all about how to go viral on Facebook. Please, I want you to be specific. I want you to generate, so sorry guys, I want you to generate a nice and clickable title for me, hashtag, keywords and caption that I want it to be very short but attention catching and grabbing hooks ones for me. Guys, let's go. You can see this is my question that I asked. They need to first of all blur it out for you so that you will check if you made any mistake before they will go on. Leave it there. So you can see it guys. See it. I hope you guys are seeing this thing very well. You can see there are many titles for me. You can see hashtag. This one is hashtag. This one is SEO. You can see SEO keywords. So see what they gave to me. Let me read it out. Number one is why Facebook is not pushing your videos. You can see. The number two is how to go viral on Facebook. So you are the one to choose the one that you know that it will help you to grab people attention. Or if you are confused, you can just ask ChatGPT to pick the one they think is good, that is going to grab attention of people to watch the video for you. So you see, instead of you to be thinking of what kind of title am I going to use on my video, hashtag and keywords or caption, I will tell you to just use ChatGPT. They will generate everything for you, and you will just all you have to do is to pick the one you want, the one you feel like is good, is okay for that kind of content you want to create or you want to post out there for you. So guys, go and try it out and tell me in the comment section what you think about these tips I have given to you. Do not forget to follow me for more tips, for more amazing how to make money and Facebook growth tips for you guys. Don't forget to share my video. The good thing you will do for me is to share this video, like, comment and share my video for more amazing tips, guys. Tell me where you're watching my video from, guys. Bye.